Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Hope you all are doing well. Today's learning objectives are to differentiate square root and cube root and a use of symbols square root and cube root. Let's begin our topic from the page number 175. As in my previous class, I have explained you the numbers of square root and squares and the cubes and the cube root of numbers from 2 till 10. Alright, and I hope you have learned about these cubes root and square root. Now from the page number 175, question number 19. See, a cube has a volume of 64 centimeter cube. Find the length of one edge of the cube. How you are finding volume? Actually, they are giving you the volume and you have to find out the edge of the cube. How you will find out? Volume is equals to length L cube, because cube has all the sides equal. That's why we have to take the cube root on both sides. When you take the cube root on both sides, so it will become 64 cube root. As I told you the difference, what is the difference between square root and cube root? See, outside the square root, if small 3 is written, it is cube root, alright, and if no number is there, so you understand it is square root, alright. So when you talk about this 64, so what is the cube root of 64? It's 4. So the edge of the side of the cube is 4 centimeter, alright. Now come to the 20. In question number 20, you have to find out the cube root of 8. So now you will find out the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. When you multiply 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, you get 8. So this is the cube root of 8. Alright. Now come to this. You have to do these question 20 and 21 in your book. Like find the missing values. How you will find out? See, 125, 5 is the cube. 125, 5... cube root of 125 is 5, alright, and when you talk about the 1331, so it's 11 cube root. So in this way your cube root is finished. Now come to the another page, and again you have 176 page. The different cube roots are given to you. The volume of cube is 27 centimeter cube. Find the length of one edge. Again you have to find out the 27, so the cube root of 27 is 3. Alright, in this way you have to find out all the cube root of the different numbers which are given to you. Let's see, 512 is the cube root of 8, so the length of one edge is 8 centimeter. So in this way you have to just find out the cube root and square root of different number, and your topic is going to finish. Now come to the copy work. The copy work is on page number 179, and this page you have to do this copy work by yourself. For each cube, find the length of each edge. As you have, I have explained you in previous pages, you have to give in the volume, and you are just finding the one edge. How you will just write it, taking cube root on both sides. And you talk about the 216. 216 is the cube root of 6. So in this page you have to do in your copies. How you will do it? You will just mention this question in your copy and write the solution in your copies. And in the solution you will just write it, taking cube root on both sides. See, so what you will do in this way, you will just find out the volume is equals to 216 given to you. So you will take the cube root of this number. So you will write a small 3 outside, and this is the cube root of 6. So the edge of one edge is 6 centimeter. In this way your one side of the edge is find out, and the next you will do as it is in your copies. So this is your copy work. So in this way your chapter is going to finish. Inshallah in my next class we will start a new topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.